Let's take a look at a new update from Virtual Staging AI app. This software platform is perfect for staging empty homes. No more wondering how things would look in this room. You see a picture with furniture. It is awesome. This app I highly recommend. It is very cost effective. And if you're a real estate photographer like me, you can upsell it to your realtors. I personally sell 6 images for about $60. So 6 images covers your living room, dining room, primary bedroom, 2 other bedrooms, and I have 1 left over, sometimes family room. But now with this update, I can use multiple views. So maybe there's 2 or 3 angles of a living room. So what you have to remember, it's per image. You're getting charged for this. Let's dive in. So this new update that just came out, or it's February 20th about, and we're gonna test it out for the first time. So I'm gonna upload a couple images from one of my shoots yesterday, and this was a condo that had 1 empty room. I'm like, let's take that stuff out and actually put in furniture. So there's angle 1. See, we got the window. So the next angle, we're gonna add furniture, bedroom, and then add second view. So now we're gonna add that second view. So we're looking this way, and we're gonna let it test it out. So it says here, multi-view staging is currently in beta. Please note the output quality may vary. I gotta be honest, this is my first test run. I'm excited about this because this is a huge upsell I can use for my realtors. Instead of selling 6 images, maybe I sell a dozen and use multi-angles. So especially those rooms, some bedrooms, you can have one look towards the window. Then the second one, you're looking towards the bathroom. Maybe there's a walk-in closet that way. Living rooms, especially, multiple angles. Kitchens, this app works amazing. Kitchens will add little stools or chairs at the island. It'll put stuff on the counters. It makes it look awesome. As you see here, it's uploading the images and processing them. First thing it does, it spits out 3 different results with 3 different sets of furniture. Today, we're going to make it easy on this guy and just do a bedroom. So we go, we're done. Click in here and see what we got. So view 1. Let's see what view. So we have the furniture in here. There was a shelf here. They put some stuff on it. Looks great. Placement looks great. Carpet looks good. And then view number 2. Same furniture. See that this end, it looks good. Oh, I love this. This looks great. So let's look at the second set of furniture. So these are the 3 sets of furniture it's going to give you. View 1, this is going to be a huge, huge benefit to my business and my clients. Oh, that one didn't work out so well. You can see bed. I actually really love this one. I love the lighter tones on the bed. Carpet looks good. You have to watch what carpet's on this. Sometimes it messes it up and blends it in. So just something to be aware of. It loves putting carpet on carpet, but for me, it's filling the space and selling that. And first impressions looks awesome. Love this. Love this. Love this. All I do is pick this one on download. You can select the little arrow. You could download with a watermark or without watermark. So I love the watermark. It'll put it in the corner here and actually tell people when they're looking at the photos that it's virtually staged. So there's no surprises when they come to the house. It's going to be empty, but their pictures show staged and the realtor can say, hey, this is what it could look like. So again, I download it and fire it off to my client. If you use my link below, I get a little kickback. It helps pay for this channel. This is worth it. You have to really seriously, if you don't have this in your business yet, consider it's a great upsell. When you shoot the listings, I'll just show you some of these examples they use. It's just amazing what difference it makes. There's different furniture, different styles. So again, check it out. Use my link below if you haven't used it yet.